with this.
Yeah. Yep, he has IP. Yep.
State of Michigan, 36th District Court is now in session with the Honorable Judge Sean B. Perkins presiding. While court is in session, there will be no smoking, eating, drinking, sleeping, and or laying down. I will ask that if you have on any hats or hoodies, that you please remove them unless due to religious purposes. Thank you, everyone. Good morning, Judge. Good morning to everyone.
So, Rob, you with us today?
Yes, sir.
Good morning to you.
Good morning.
Sloan is gonna be the first person. You ready, Mr. Williams Law?
Yes.
Yes, Your Honor.
Oh,
Who's on the iPhone that hasn't been, you haven't been named? Let me see if I can.
So, yeah,
Is there a young lady there?
To help.
The young lady sit down on the iPhone.
Yes, me.
No, not you.
I have an iPhone.
I understand a whole lot of people have an iPhone, but you have a name by yours, ma'am. Good morning to you.
Joy G.
That's Joy G. That's who I'm looking for. Joy G. Joy, Joy,
Yes.
G. And how is that Gee?
Yes.
Good morning to you. There's another iPhone coming in now.
Your Honor, I apologize. Is Mr. Berry in the meeting? Or am I overlooking? Am I not seeing him?
I haven't seen him yet.
Okay.
It's another iPhone that I just let in the room. The gentleman sitting at the kitchen table, it looks like.
yeah.
Oh, what's your name? What's your name, sir? Good morning to you.
Sabiruddin.
Say that again.
Sabiruddin.
You're breaking up.
Sabiruddin.
Odin?
Uddin.
I don't see him on the docket. Spell your last name for me, please.
Uddin.
U.
D is in David. E is in David. I is in Erin. U is an umbrella.
Uddiu.
N.
Uddiun.
N is a Nancy. Yes, sir. Sir.
So Uddiun, right?
I-N. I is an Erin.
I-N, not a U. All right.
N is a Nancy.
Uddiun. And what's your first name?
Sabir. Sabbir. I believe my judge is Dancy John.
You're in the wrong courtroom.
Dancy John, my judge name.
Stanford Jones. Can you have a Stanford Jones? You dial 43630434000. I don't need that.
Oh, 435.
Yes, instead of 434. You're next door.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
All right, let's go ahead. It's the city of Detroit. Are we ready, Ms. Williams-Long?
Yes, Your Honor.
City of Detroit versus Marcus Allen Long, case number U67849-323 and SP127-62741. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Richard Lippett on behalf of the defendant Marcus Long, who also appears via Zoom.
Mr. Long, can you state your name for the record, please?
Marcus Allen Long.
Today is the date and time. Let's call it a pretrial. What's going to go on, Counselor?
Your Honor, yesterday morning we were here and you asked us to come back today, but you described an offer to us yesterday morning. Mr. Long would like to take advantage of that offer. He stands ready to give a plea. He knows what rights he'll be giving up.
Is that what you want to do, sir?
Yes, Your Honor.
Offer's going to be disorderly conduct, a $240 fine. It's going to be a misdemeanor morality class. You need to take HIV testing. Results will be private. We'll dismiss the other prohibited left turn. You want to raise your right hand, sir? Do you swear or affirm, tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, Your Honor.
You can put your hand down. Do you understand you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 90 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes, Your Honor.
And do you understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes, Your Honor.
Your attorney, Mr. Lippett, went over your other advice and rights at some point during the pendency of this case, did he not?
Yes.
You understood those rights?
Yes, Your Honor.
Any questions about those rights?
No, sir.
You know, by taking this deal, you're going to give those rights up?
Yes. Yes, Your Honor.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No, sir.
Mr. Long, let me draw your attention back to August the 17th, 2023 at around 9:23 a.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of Fernhill and Ralston Street, sir. Did you have an occasion on that day to come in contact with the Detroit Police Department?
I'm sorry. Could you repeat the question?
On the day of August the 17th, 2023 at around 9:23 a.m. in the city of Detroit in the area of Fernhill and Ralston Street, sir. Did you have an occasion on that day to come in contact with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes, Your Honor.
Would you say that out there you caused a police presence by your actions, sir?
Yes, Your Honor.
And would you say that that police presence disrupted the good, quiet, peaceful nature of the neighborhood over there?
Yes, sir.
All right, are you satisfied, Counselor?
I am satisfied, Your Honor.
All right, the court is satisfied as well. We'll find your client guilty of the amended count of disorderly conduct. We'll find you 240. I'm going to give you 30 days to do it. I'm going to refer this to probation just so that you can get maybe find out, maybe a counsel will find out that Mr. Brown class or have a place to test if you don't already have a place of your own. I'll give you 30 days to complete it. Let's give you a review date of January 17th, 2024 at 8:25. Let me get a good phone number from you, Mr. Long, please.
That would be 248-505-1754.
All right, that'll conclude it. I'll refer to probation just for the class and the testing if you need to have a site. And then you can forward that documentation to probation so it can get to us and be in the file. Give you till January 17th, 2024 to pay the fine and do the necessary other requirements. If there's nothing further, sir, you have a safe and happy holiday season. Best of luck to you.
Your Honor, is it the defendant's responsibility to contact probation, or will probation contact him?
It should be the probation's responsibility. If there's referred to there, they have his number. But if not, reach out to probation at 313-965-3414. 313-965-3414 if you have an issue and they haven't contacted you in a reasonable amount of time.
Your Honor, thank you very much. Have a nice holiday as well.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Bye-bye.
Very good.
You have done these files, right?
No. All right, this is the city of Detroit versus Dwayne Golden.
Yes, sir. Yes.
All right, case numbers SP 1415060, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1415353, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearing for the record, please.
Oh, that's Barry Jr. P28880 on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Golden.
Dwayne Iman Golden.
Your Honor, for purposes of arraignment, my client would stand mute.
Here, a not guilty plea on his behalf, give him a $0 bond. Mr. Golden. I can give you an opportunity to try and get a license and you come back, that would put you in a little bit better situation. We can give you an offer today, or you have an absolute right to a trial. What would you like to do?
Try to get my license, sir.
All right. I'm going to allow your client to pay this reinstatement fee up front. That's going to require you to do, sir, it's just going to require you to come down to the courthouse and enter not guilty plea on his behalf, give him a $0 bond. That's going to require you to come down to the courthouse and to pay $45 up front on this no proof, no insurance proof. I'm going to give you until January 29th, 2024 at 8:30 a.m. That's going to be your next court date. We're going to mark the file, pay reinstatement fee up front, come down, pay $45, wait 48 to 72 hours after you pay that to see if the Secretary of State will give you a valid license, all right?
Yes, sir.
We have to wait for that clearance to get to the Secretary of State. It's going to take approximately 48 to 72 hours for that to happen. If there's no further questions, sir, your next court date is January 29, 2024 at 8:30. Have a safe, happy holiday season.
Will that be in person or on Zoom? Just so I'll know.
It's going to be on Zoom, but you need to come down and get that documentation, that $45 as soon as possible, and that way you can. That will be quicker for you to start that process. All right.
All right. Thank you, sir.
All right. Have a great day. This is the city of Detroit versus Jennifer Marie LaFay. Case number U65630023. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Good morning to your staff. Sharika Harris, P72832. On behalf of the defendant, please state your name for the record.
Jennifer Marie LaFave.
All right. I didn't see her.
Yes,
Oh.
Get Mr. Golden out of here. Today is the date and time set for a, see what it's set for. I think it's a pretrial date. State set for pretrial. I don't know I guess there would be a 12-month delayed sentence on this $240 fine. I don't know. Let's pass this matter, or let you speak to Ms. Harris in the breakout room so we can get an offer on this. In the meantime, you can have a conversation with the attorney, all right?
Okay.
Let's go with Mr. Espinoza. Are you there? It should be a sheet over there too. All right. Let's see. Is Espinoza there? Giovanni? No Giovanni Espinoza. All right, let's move on. Don's iPhone. Ask you to unmute yourself.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, good morning, sir. What's your full name?
Don Francisco Lopez.
Don Francisco Lopez. Good morning to you, Mr. Lopez.
Good
All
morning.
right, you're set. Review. Review. I have this thing printed out as well. Don Francisco Lopez.
Yes.
I don't believe you paid, did you?
Yes, I paid the last part of it at 4 o'clock this morning before I went to work.
Let's see. Don Francisco Lopez. City of Detroit versus Don Francisco. Alfonso Lopez Jr., case number SP141278112. Mr. Lopez, state your name for the record, please.
Don Francisco Lopez.
All right, today is the date and time set for a review. You have paid. The blocking traffic is closed out. The improper plate we're going to dismiss. Good morning. Safe and happy holiday season, Mr. Lopez. Best of luck to you, all right?
All right, thank you so much, Your Honor.
All right, thank you. All right. Do you have some officers in the breakout room?
Okay, very good, Judge. I will check in on Zoom then.
Yeah.
We have a moment. Sir, can I please have a copy of the document sheet?
The City of Detroit versus Lynetta Levette Lewis, case number SP1033873, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. Lewis.
Lynetta Levette Lewis.
Good morning to you, ma'am. Today is the date and time set for a pretrial in the matter. Ms. Lewis, do you have valid license, registration, and insurance?
Yes, Your Honor. You asked. I have driver's license.
Under license, please. All right. What about registration and insurance?
I got registration for, but I'm not driving.
All right. So you got registration. But so why do you have registration if you're not driving? You have a car, don't you?
I don't have insurance on the car.
That's what the answer is, ma'am.
Yeah.
Because don't tell me you're not driving. I'm not going to believe that. And I'm just not going to believe it. All right, did I give you time already to get, insurance?
Yes, you did. And the last time I saw you, I lost my job in the same week, Your Honor.
Say that then. License is valid. I'm not gonna try to get you to admit that you weren't telling the truth about not driving that car, but I just don't believe that you have a car sitting there that's got registration on there, it's got a good tag on there, and you're not driving it. Did you get some new work, ma'am?
No, I have to go today for fingerprinting somewhere.
So you got a job lined up?
Yes. Hopefully.
All right, well, you gotta claim it. I'm gonna give
Yes.
you one last chance to get this insurance. I don't wanna see you spending money on a ticket that you could be getting insurance on that car that you drive. So I'm gonna have you back on January 29th. I'm gonna wish you the best of luck on getting the job. And January 29th, 2024 at 8:30 a.m. Have a safe, happy holiday season and best of luck to you on the job, all right?
Thank you. You too, Your Honor.
Let's see, Gavin, Sean.
No help. You don't need it all the way, right?
No, I don't need it. I just write it on the sheet. So all of them I just write on the sheet.
Okay.
City of Detroit versus Gavin, Stephen, the strike that Deshaun Gavin, Deshaun Stephen Gavin, case numbers U 646-51622, SP 122-767. 12, SP 124-95341, SP 124-9538, counts 1 and counts 2, SP 144-80331. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Gavin.
Ask and unmute yourself.
Deshaun Stephen Gavin.
Morning to you, sir. Today is the date and time set for a pretrial and a review. You owe the money on the 348 on the no ops ticket that you entered into a long time ago, or whenever you entered into that. Then you got some other matters here. You have valid license and insurance, sir.
No, I'm waiting on my hearing. I was waiting until after this trial I got to set my hearing date.
What hearing date? With the review board to get a license?
I have my license was revoked, so I had to go in front of the hearing board.
This stuff has gone on too long as well. I'm gonna set a trial date. So you're gonna get a trial date today. I will put you, I'll give you the trial date for March the 14th, 2024. Hopefully you can get something done by then, March 14th, 2024 at 9 a.m. Hopefully that gives you enough time to get that hearing done, because the offer today is going to be pleaded to at least the failure to display that is going to abstract to the Secretary of State. Therefore, it's going to carry points, and that's not going to be good for you if you take that deal, because they're going to know you've been driving. So come back on March the 14th, 2024, and see where it goes from there. All right.
All right. Thank you. Have a happy holidays.
You as well. Thank you so much. Orlando Graham. I let him go. Let me get the Graham file. Orlando Graham. Pack it over there. 17. Brian Theodis Brown. Sorry. Mr. Brown, are you there?
Yes.
It's the city of Detroit versus Theodis Brown. Theodis Bell Brown, the third, case number SP 150-22741, SP 150-22951. Appears for the record, please.
Sheriff Harris, on behalf of the defendant Brown, please state your name for the record.
Theodis Brown.
All right, today is the date and time. Get up, sir. It's not nap time. It's court time.
For purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute.
You are not guilty plea on your client's behalf. Give your client a $0 bond. Mr. Brown, do you have a valid license?
Yes.
Run his driver's license, please. If you got a valid license, we'll offer him a block of traffic, $175 for that failure to stop ticket. It doesn't abstract to the Secretary of State, therefore it doesn't carry any points. License is valid. This blocking traffic, sir. You want to take the deal? You have an absolute right to a trial.
You talking to me still?
Mr. Brown, yes.
I didn't hear you.
Blocking traffic is going to be the offer, $175. It doesn't abstract to the Secretary of State. Therefore, it doesn't carry any points. We'll dismiss the misdemeanor. I have a valid driver's license. You want to take the deal?
Yes, and I mean I'll just have to pay the $175, right?
You have to pay the $175, but it won't be any points.
Sounds good to me.
Your Honor, we stipulate to the face of the ticket for an accurate factual basis, and we stipulate to probable cause for the dismissal.
All right, with that, I find him responsible for the amended count of blocking traffic, and I'll dismiss the other matter. Mr. Brown, when can you pay the $175?
Sometime in January. I just got a job yesterday.
All right, January 17th,
Sounds
2020. Very well. Pay it at any DivDad kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload that DivDad app to your phone, or come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it, sir. If it's nothing further, you have a safe and happy holiday season. Best of luck to you.
You as well.
Thank you. All right, so let's go back on the record with Ms. LaFave. Ms. LaFave, I've given you an opportunity to speak with the counsel in the breakout room. It'll be a 12-month, I mean, not a 12-month delay, allowing child to leave past curfew. It'll be how old is the child, do you know, or is that too much information to be asking your client, counselor?
At this time, we're going to respectfully request an attorney be appointed.
Oh.
I put her information in the chat so that she could have this matter set, possibly for trial, Your Honor.
Well, let's do that. That's what you want to do, Ms. LaFave? Am I getting the pronunciation correct?
Yes.
All right. Let's set the matter for trial on February 20th, 2024 at 9 a.m. I got the file marked need appointed attorney. So you need to kind of answer any calls that you don't recognize, ma'am. one of those calls should be that attorney. If the attorney doesn't appear, call us in a couple of weeks so we can make sure that we get you that attorney appointed so that they'll be ready on February 20th, 2024. If it's nothing further, ma'am, you have a safe and happy holiday season. That's what we'll keep. All right.
Thank you very much, you too.
Thank you. Is Deshanda Gantz here? Justin Jenneret. Justin Jenneret, he's the truck driver. Is Justin Jenneret here? Yeah.
Your Honor, is he scheduled for a review?
Yes, he is, and he didn't pay.
Oh, well, he needs to come back. Never mind.
Yeah. It was yesterday. It should be yesterday. Kavana's iPhone. Ask you to unmute yourself, please.
Good morning.
Good morning. What's your full name, ma'am?
Ivana Christine Lindsay.
Lindsay. All right. Good morning to you.
Good morning.
City of Detroit versus Kavana Christine Lindsay. Case number SP 14886-321. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. Lindsay.
Ivana Christine Lindsay.
Your Honor, my client would stand mute.
You are not guilty of playing your client's behalf. We'll give your client a $0 bond. Ms. Lindsay, do you have valid insurance, ma'am?
Yes, I got my insurance right here.
Let's see what you have.
And then I got my tags too.
Let's see the insurance. All I'm concerned about is the insurance, please.
Oh, it was only for the insurance?
Yes.
For the ticket? Okay.
All right, hold on. Why is it a pinpoint? Why is it spotlight?
Here, I'm gonna flip the camera on there.
No, just hold it up. You
Oh,
just
just
have
hold
to
it up.
speak it. Yeah, well, I'm not getting her again. All right, there it is. Hold on. All right, I'm satisfied with that, ma'am. I'm gonna dismiss the case for providing valid documentation, all right?
Okay.
Have a safe, happy holiday season. Best of luck to you, all right?
You too. Thank you so much. Okay.
Keith Langford. Keith Nathaniel Langford.
Yes, sir. Chief Nathaniel Langford speaking.
Good morning to you. City of Detroit versus Keith Nathaniel Langford, case number SP 1490929, counts 1 and counts 2, SP 1490951. Appearance for the record, please.
Sherika Harris on behalf of Mr. Langford. Please state your name for the record.
Chief Nathaniel Langford.
All right, you have a valid license, sir?
No, I don't, Your Honor.
No insurance or registration. Offers going to be failure to display. Absolute right to a trial. $240 fine. It will abstract to the Secretary of State, but it won't carry any points. I'm going to put you in a breakout room with Ms. Harris, and you can have a private conversation with her. Okay.
Okay.
Join the room, please. All right. Avon London. Davion.
Hello, Your Honor. How you doing today?
Very well. Watch yourself. What's your middle name, sir?
Lynn Corey, Lincory.
All right, where are you?
I'm at work right now.
I just want to see your face.
Can you see me?
Yes. Hold on one second. Any other officers in here? Any other officers in here that I haven't put in sign in break room 1?
Yes, Your Honor. I'm not able to change my name at this time, but Officer Gabrielle Rogers.
Okay. Good morning to you.
Good morning.
Good morning, Judge Corporal Jerry Jones.
And where are you, Corporal Jones? You are where?
I'm Detroit Police 7th Precinct. And I'm here for Nathaniel Richmond.
Breakout room as well. Corporal McCree, good morning to you.
Okay, thanks. All right.
Any other officers here? All right. Are we ready on Mr. Langford?
Ready, Your Honor.
Let's go back on the record with Mr. Langford. Mr. Langford, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel in the breakout room. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, we're respectfully requesting an adjourned pretrial date. Mr. Langford should be able to come back with a license. And he also had, he may have his insurance paperwork today, but he had all back the next date.
We'll have it all back on January 29th, 2024 at 8:30 a.m., all right?
Could you repeat that, please?
January 29th, 2024 at 8:30. Have your documentation ready on that date, all right?
Yes, sir.
All right, if there's nothing further, have a safe and happy holiday season. Best of luck to you, sir.
To you also, and thank you.
All right, this is the city of Detroit versus Davion London. Case number SP 104. Strike that SP 1404670, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1490456, counts 1 and counts 2. State of Michigan versus Davion London, case number SX 4130538, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. London.
Davion Corey London.
All right. He has a show cause that he missed on October 6th as purpose of arraignment on that on purpose of
Stand mute.
Enter not guilty plea on his behalf, give him a $0 bond. You need to. I don't know if you're eligible for a license. I see you got. I'm going to offer him the better driver's course. He can choose to take that if he wants. And I'm going to offer him an opportunity to pay his reinstatement fee up front. He can do that if he wants to try to see if he can get a better life, a driver's license. I'm going to put the better driver's course in the chat. Everybody might want to take a screenshot of this, especially if you have a excessive speed ticket or something like that with a lot of points. This is a 16 to 20 over allegation. So that's a 4-point offense. Better drivers upon. Please. Please. 'Cause, 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 'cause put the better driver's course in the chat. You can take a look at that. If he wants an offer, speak to him in a breakout room to Barry, see what he wants to do. If he wants an offer, just stand by for an offer.
Yes, Your Honor.
Join the room, speak to counsel, Mr. London.
Okay. All right.
That's Tanya Gores.
Yes, Your Honor.
Good morning to you, ma'am.
Good morning.
Detroit versus Tanya Marie Gores, case number U65629-723. Appearance for the record, please.
Sherika Harris on behalf of Ms. Gores, please state your name for the record.
Tanya Marie Gores.
As the date and time set for pretrial in the matter. Same deal. That must be her. This is the breakout room. You want to join the breakout room? I don't know. Same allegation as the last person, Ms. Harris. So speak to Ms. Gores in the breakout room. Let us know what she wants to do when she gets out. All right. $240 fine, dismissal upon payment. That's the resolution. All right. Join the room, please. Speak to the lawyer. Any other retained counsel here? Jenna Red here? Is Jenna Red here? Justin Jenna Red? Who's on the iPhone 2? iPhone 2.
I am. Joey, grab it.
Grab it?
Yes.
All right, good morning to you.
Good morning.
Right. Who's on the TCL 9137W? I asked you to unmute yourself. Good morning to you. What's your name, please?
My name is Nathaniel Grissom.
Nathaniel Grissom, good morning to you. Your matter set for trial.
Hello?
Let me ask you, this, Mr. Barry, what about, are we ready on London?
Ready, Your Honor.
Let's go back on the record with Davion London. Mr. London, I'll give you an opportunity to speak to counsel in the breakout room. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, he availed himself of the opportunity to take the driver improvement course, and I'd like to ask for another pretrial date.
I'm going to allow him to pay his reinstatement fee up front as well. You come down to the window and pay that $45. The sooner you do that, the sooner you'll get a clearance from the 36th District Court to the Secretary of State. That takes about 48 to 72 hours to get there. I'm going to give you an opportunity to take the class. You got the information in the chat. I'll my email address. Make sure that gets to me, and then we'll call you back on January 29th, 2024, 9 a.m. All right?
All right. Can I say something?
This is not London. This is London.
Yes. Yes.
Yeah. What do you need? What do you need to say?
Yes, sir. I emailed you my registration, my proof of registration. For that one, for the charge of registration, for no proof of registration, I emailed it to you to show that I had effective registration on the date that I was charged.
All right. Bring that. I'll check that email out. Hopefully you have valid registration when you come in on any other cards. We'll deal with that when you get here. All right.
Okay.
On the 29th.
Okay.
All right. Hopefully you can get a valid driver's license as well. Pay that $45. Come down to the window and do that. It's the only way that you're able to pay that $45. Is coming down to the courthouse and do it. All right.
Okay. Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, very well. Have a safe, happy holiday season. I'll see you back on the 29th of January at 8:30.
Okay, thank you.
All right, let's go back on the record with Ms. Goris. Ms. Goris, I'll give you an opportunity to speak to Ms. Harris in the breakout room. Ms. Harris, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, we're respectfully requesting that an attorney be appointed and a trial date.
All right, you have another one coming up as well. At 9 a.m. That's going to be the trial date, February 20th, 24. I need a good phone number from you. Is that what you want to do, Ms. Goris?
Yes, Your Honor.
What's your phone number, please?
765-421-4031.
All right. I'm gonna mark the file, need an appointed attorney, and tell you, like I told the other young lady, if there's no attorney that calls you within the next couple of weeks, you need to get back in touch with the court. I have the file noted as such, but we're gonna have you back on February 20th, 2024 at 9 a.m. Okay, ma'am?
Okay, is that going to be by Zoom, or do I need to come there?
It's your choice, ma'am. If you want to come in, we're gonna try to conduct it by Zoom, but you're free to come in the courtroom if you choose.
Okay.
All right. Have a safe and happy holiday season, ma'am. Best of luck to you.
You too. Thank you.
All right. Ms. Harris, this is the City of Detroit versus Stephanie Lee Lamb, and case number U65629-323. Appearance for the record, please.
Sherika Harris. On behalf of the defendant, please state your name.
Stephanie Lee Lapham.
All right. Pre-trial, same allegations. I'll put you in a breakout room, Ms. Harris. Let us know what you want to do. When you come out, offer is going to be the same. $240 fine, dismiss upon fees. All right. Join the room, please. Shania Lanier.
How you doing, Your Honor?
Very well. Did I get the pronunciation correct?
Yes, it's an island there.
Shania Lanier.
Yes.
It's the city of Detroit versus Shania Lanier. Case number is SP 1485005, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearing for the record, please.
Owen S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. Lanier.
Sana Ariana Lanier.
Your Honor, for purposes of arraignment, we would waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
And will enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf and give your client a $0 bond. Ms. Lanier, do you have valid registration and insurance?
I told the officer that day that that vehicle did not belong to me. That was my father's vehicle. So I don't know what he has going on with that. I'm gonna be honest with you.
Can you find out?
Yes, I can. I could text him right now, actually.
Well, find out if he has valid registration and insurance. I'll give you an opportunity to come back. There's also an allegation that is improper. Let me see what that is.
I think he was saying my license. I have a Georgia license, and I don't know why I don't know if that's what. Let me just wait till you done.
Improper address on license. So.
Yes, I have a Georgia license, so I don't know why he put that.
I don't need it. Let's pass the matter until you can see what's going on with this insurance, or we can have you as for purposes of arraignment, counselor.
Yes, Your Honor, we would waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
Well, enter a not guilty plea on her behalf. Give her a $0 bond. If you want to come back on another date and show us some valid registration and insurance,
I just texted my dad and I asked if he had registration on the car. Oh, can I show you this? I don't know. I don't want you to think I'm lying or anything, but he said he no longer.
I'm not thinking you're lying. I need the documentation, so it's not going to do any good unless you show me. Go get the insurance paperwork and the registration for that vehicle.
That's what I was going to comment on. He said he sold the vehicle.
Do you have a vehicle?
No.
Does he have another vehicle?
Yeah, he sells cars. I was just driving one of the cars that he sells.
What's the offer going to be, Mr. Garinger? Can you put your appearance on the record, please?
Yes, Attorney Luke Garinger, PA 85677, appearing on behalf of the city of Detroit. One moment, Judge. Could we please re-enumerate the charges that are up for today?
No insurance, misdemeanor, no registration, misdemeanor, and a civil infraction of improper address license.
Judge, the offer for today would be improper plates.
Improper plates, $240 fine. You have an absolute right to a trial, ma'am. Put you in a breakout room. You can discuss the matter with Mr. Berry. I'll dismiss that improper plate upon payment. It doesn't abstract to the Secretary of State, therefore it doesn't carry any points, okay?
All right, thank you.
Talk to the lawyer. Now let's go back on the record with Ms. Lampkin. Ms. Lampkin, I'm giving you an opportunity to speak with counsel in the breakout room. Counselor, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client is requesting a trial date, but she does not need an attorney appointed.
We're going to do it on. Is that what you want to do, Ms. Lampkin?
Yes, sir.
All right. Where I don't see you. I need to see.
I'm having trouble with. Oh, there we go. My video is not working. I was messed.
All right. Well, you're going to have to get your video working before I let you go. All right. I need to see who I'm talking to. All right, let's pass the matter until that video gets together, all right? All right,
If I
this is
leave the courtroom, will it allow me to come back in?
I would have to let you back in. I don't see why you would have to leave. Go down there to the start video, and maybe you have to use your Wi-Fi or something for it. Maybe that's the issue.
No, I'm on a PC or on a tablet at work, and it's giving me the prompt to start my video, and it's not coming on. I've been messing with the settings, and I apologize. I don't normally have an issue, sir.
All right. Well, next time you come in on this trial date, I'm gonna have you on that video, all right?
I understand, sir. I genuinely apologize.
Okay, very well. Have a safe, happy holiday season, and see you back the 20th of February, okay?
Yes, sir. What time?
At 9 a.m.
Thank you, sir. Have a
I was
nice
gonna say,
holiday.
ask your friend. No, I'm just messing with you. I don't know. All right, have a great day.
Thank you.
All right. All right, let's go ahead with the city of Detroit versus, which is this Richetta Tinell Lockhart. Did I get the pronunciation right? Lockhart? I'll ask you to unmute yourself.
I'm sorry. Yes, Your Honor.
All right, good morning to you. This is the city of Detroit versus Richetta Tinell Lockhart and the state of Michigan versus Richetta Tinell Lockhart. Case numbers SB 1484204, counts 1, 2, and 3. SB 1484205, 1. SX 2487160, counts 1 and counts 2. And then we have something that's open here that's open for quite some time, apparently.
Your Honor, I haven't been in Michigan.
Hold on 1 second. Well, I'm not done yet. I'm not done yet.
Okay.
Let's call this the city of Detroit versus Richetta Tinell Lockhart, case number 05331101. Appearance for the record, please.
Sherika Harris, on behalf of the defendant, please state your name.
Richetta Tinell Lockhart.
All right.
Your Honor, for purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute.
Enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. We're going to give your client a $0 bond. No, strike that. Strike that. We're not going to do that. We're going to give your client a $500 personal bond. And we're going to require your client to test 1 time per week.
Test for what?
Because you have this open OWI case. That's for what?
Your Honor, I came back to Michigan and tried to take care of that, but it was
Well,
during the COVID.
We're going to take care of it now, ma'am. All right?
Yes, sir. Yes, Your Honor.
All right, we're going to take care of it now. Test 1 time per week. No leaving the state of Michigan without the court's permission. No drinking during the pendency of this case. I need a good phone number from you, ma'am.
Area code 313-600-20. Wait. 2658. I'm sorry, I just got the 313 area code.
313-600-2658.
Yes, Your Honor.
And I'm going to give you the number to probation. I'm going to refer this to probation as well. And that's going to be 965-34 14. You shouldn't have to do anything, ma'am. They should call you, but I want to start this testing. Today is Thursday. I want to make sure that we have a start by next week, that you have a test in here and once a week after that.
Hold on, wait, Your Honor. I don't know where I need to go. I don't know nothing. Can you tell me to me? I have been in Alabama for 10 years. That happened in 2005.
Miss Lockhart.
Let her go ahead and tell us what, go ahead.
I don't even know how the Zoom work. When I got that ticket, I had my insurance. He said none of that mattered. The officer told me none of that mattered because my plate is not. He told me I can go ahead, ma'am.
Miss Lockhart, I know, but it's hurting me because you probably want to talk to me in a breakout room first.
Oh, I did. I tried that on my last Zoom and it took me out and I couldn't get back in. I was trying to talk to the lawyer. I don't know how to do that.
Okay, go ahead. Go ahead. You got the floor. Go ahead.
Is this the breakout room right here?
No, ma'am. Go ahead. You can address the judge. Go for it.
Okay, Your Honor. I tried to handle that situation from afar, and I was told I had to come in and talk to a judge. When I got here, they told me I had a warrant in Livonia. So I started working on that, and this was just in June. I didn't even know I had a warrant because I had to serve time. I did time serve in Isabella County for Livonia. So I'm just working on everything, trying to get, they said I had probation in Livonia. So if I get probation here, how can I do both? I don't know how to do that. I don't even drive. I have to have somebody else drive for me because the car wasn't registered. And then it got stolen right after that. So I don't know what to do. I'm lost. I gotta do probation here?
You had an attorney, a very, very good attorney that tried to talk to you in a private conversation, but you just apparently didn't want to take that opportunity. You wanted to go ahead and speak yourself.
I just didn't know how to do it. Because the last time I tried to talk to the attorney, it clicked off.
Are you done?
Yes.
Okay, so listen, first of all, we're gonna try to take care of this from a near now, since you tried to take care of it from afar and it didn't work. So this is gonna be the requirement of anybody that comes through here with an OWI case. As it relates to your probation in Livonia, I know nothing about that except for what you're telling me now. I don't know what it's for, and I don't necessarily need to know what it's for. All I know is that we have to take care of what this is in front of us here. Now, I'm gonna try to put you in a breakout room if you choose to speak with Mrs. Harris. If you don't want to speak with her, then that's fine. If there's some kind of technical glitch as far as the Zoom is concerned, we'll try to address that. What do you want to do, ma'am?
I want to try to get to the break room, but I don't want to click out.
All right. So if it clicks out, we can let you back in. I'm going to put you in a breakout room with Ms. Harris, have a private conversation with her, and then let us know what you want to do. I've given you the number to probation. I'm going to refer this to probation. All we're really doing setting now is another pretrial date or trial date.
Can I get the probation number again?
Now, 313-965-3414, and Mr. Geringer is here if Ms. Harris needs an offer for you today to clear it up. So let's put you in a breakout room and have a private conversation. Join the room, please.
Judge, after Ms. Harris is done speaking with defendant, I would like to have either a breakout room with Ms. Harris or Mr. Barry regarding some of those cases that we have an officer here for, Judge.
We'll put you in a room with Ms. Harris.
Thank you,
Mr.
Judge.
Barry, are we ready on Lanier?
Ready, Your Honor.
All right, let's go back on the record with Ms. Lanier. Ms. Lanier, I'll give you an opportunity to speak to counsel in the breakout room. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
She would avail herself of the offer, Your Honor, in her plea to improper play.
Improper play? This what you want to do, ma'am?
Yes.
I told her I'd give her an opportunity to bring some valid insurance and registration on the vehicle.
The vehicle's been sold.
Raise your right hand, please. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
Or you can put your hand down now. You understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes.
You understand you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes.
Mr. Berry went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did he not?
Yes.
You understood those rights?
Yes.
Any questions about those rights?
No, not about the rights, but I did have a question.
All right, what's your question?
So as far as I just have to pay the little $240, but you told me to prove registration. The car has been sold, so do I just pay that?
Well, I was going to give you a chance to bring some registration and insurance in. You said the car has been sold. I mean, because you don't have a car in your name. The hard part about this is you don't have a car in your name. If you had a car in your name, I would see your registration and insurance. If it was valid today, I would disregard whether it was valid on the date of the time or not, and I would dismiss the cases for you. I mean, I still got this improper license thing, but I would dismiss the misdemeanor cases for you. You said I would even give you an opportunity to bring some valid registration insurance in your dad's name, and show us that to some vehicle that he's driving now that you have access to, and then we could do the same thing. But I don't know if you're able to do that or not.
Let me see. Well, I can ask him and see, but I'll just pay the fee.
You want to come back?
No, I'll just pay the fee.
All right. So, you understand by taking this deal, you're going to give up the right to a trial and those rights that Mr. Berry went over with you, right?
Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No.
All right, let me draw your attention back to August the 9th, 2023 at around 1:19 a.m. in the city of Detroit in the area of Gratiot and Connor. Did you have an occasion on that day to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes.
Were you operating a motor vehicle?
Yes.
All right, now operation did that officer ask you to produce valid insurance for that vehicle?
Yes.
You could not do so, could you, ma'am?
No.
Why is that?
I did try to give him registration to the vehicle, but he didn't want to take it. So.
Well.
But I couldn't offer him any insurance because there wasn't any insurance on the vehicle.
It wasn't any insurance on the vehicle, and you knew that before you got into the vehicle, right?
No, Your Honor, I didn't.
The issue is, was the registration valid?
I was hoping so. It was in the car, and I spoke to my father, and he said it was.
Well, you don't know that either, then.
Yeah.
You just drive. You just drive.
Honestly.
You know, the issue becomes, Mr. Geringer, is can you put your appearance on the record, please?
Counsel Attorney Luke Geringer, PA 5677, appearing on behalf of the city of Detroit.
And the issue becomes, one, she's not obligated, as far as I understand the law is being, she's not obligated to have insurance on a vehicle that she doesn't own. However, she is obligated to provide proof of insurance upon that she's driving, but that would not necessarily, that wouldn't be in the form of a misdemeanor insurance. That would be in the form of a civil infraction, no proof to show, because again, the statute does read that
Judge, so I agree in regards to the insurance. If this was not her vehicle, she would, she doesn't have, liability there if, she was not the owner or registrant. In regards to if the vehicle is not registered though, that is regardless of her knowledge of whether the vehicle is registered, she would be liable, I believe, under the statute, Judge, to the 257.
And I can understand your position on that, but and this is not the date and time for a trial either, so I haven't gotten the other side. But she indicated that she tried to show the officer insurance. I mean, strike that. She tried to show the officer registration, and the officer did not accept that. See, I'm trying to see what the improper address, is that a ticket? Does that have points on it?
Are you asking me?
No.
Oh.
Do you know? I don't know if you know. You know?
I don't know, because on my ticket he put my Michigan license number on there instead of my Georgia license, which is my current license. So I don't know if that's why he put improper improper address, but it couldn't be an improper address if it's stated on my license. So I don't know.
Do you know what improper license, counselor, that's 2573153. If it's got any points on improper license, let's see. 57.315. Operation who changes his or her residence before the expiration of a license granted. This chapter shall be notified the Secretary of State. His or her own license, new address, a change of address notification shall be prescribed. The Secretary of State may include notification of the person preparing the person shall not knowingly report a change of address.
Yes, Judge, I believe under the Secretary of State guidelines 257.301, that's section 3010 of the SOS code, drove while licensed improper, that's a 2-point offense.
Are you willing to offer something in regards to blocking traffic? This is written under section 257.315(3). Operators and chauffeurs license, change of address, notice, use of residence address on qualified voter file, failure to report change, violation penalty, and non-appealability. This seems like it's actually okay. It is a civil infraction in this. It does not give me the penalty for that. Is that under that section that you're talking about? Does that have listed 257.3153 as well?
One moment, Judge. I believe I was looking at the standard fail to change address 257.228 or 257.315.
315, yes.
Yes, that's correct, Judge. That is a 0-point civil infraction.
It is a 0.7 civil infraction. What's the code number on there? The 4-digit code number.
3620.
3620.
Excuse me.
620 failed to change address. Do you want to settle this up, counselor, with the $108 fine?
Yes, Your Honor.
No, I'm asking the city.
Judge, yeah, the people would be amenable to that. Allow Ms. Lanier to plead to civil infraction, dismiss the remaining counts.
Here you go, Ms. Lanier. I don't know what's going on with your license. It sounds like you have an issue that you may have two driver's licenses in your possession, and that's not good either. I think that is a misdemeanor if you have 2 licenses in possession, a Michigan and a Georgia license. But the city's willing to plead as charged on this improper license address, and that's $108. It does not abstract to the Secretary of State. It won't carry any points. We'll close everything out for $108. All right, you want to take that deal, ma'am?
Yes.
All right. Stipulate to the face of the ticket as an active factual basis for the responsible plea, counselor.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
Stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matters.
Yes, Your Honor. So stipulated.
All right, $108, Ms. Lanier. When can you pay it?
Tomorrow, today.
All right, I'm gonna put it in there for next week at least, the 21st. Pay that today. Can we get this in here now, Mr. Bradley? Yes. Pay that today. We'll close the matter out. If it's not paid by the 21st, though, it's gonna affect your license. All right. Pay it at any Div that kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload that Div that app to your phone, or pay it. Come on down to the courthouse and pay it. Those are the 2 best ways I can tell you to pay it. Have a safe and happy holiday season, ma'am. Best of luck to you. All right.
I could pay it online, you said?
I'd say pay it at the Div that kiosk. Online just takes too long, and it won't go through immediately. That's the only reason I don't recommend paying it online. I say pay it at the Div that, DIVDAT kiosk, or pay it down here at the courthouse. I'm told you can upload that Div that app to your phone and pay it. Those are the 2 best ways to pay it.
Okay, and lastly, is this including the 240? Or is
No,
this
is gonna be in lieu of the 240. We're gonna dismiss those 2 cases based on I trust that you were telling the court the truth, that you were driving your car your father gave you, that you tried to, I don't know what happened out there, but just in lieu of that, we'll just settle it up for the $108. You don't have to worry about the 240.
All right, thank you, Anna.
Have a safe and happy holiday season, man. Best of luck to you.
You too.
I think. All right. All right, let's go back on the record with Ms. Lockhart. Ms. Lockhart, I'm giving you an opportunity to speak with counsel in the breakout room. What does your client want to do?
Your Honor, we're respectfully requesting that an attorney be appointed and that the matters be set for trial. I have provided her updated address, and she's also requesting information as to how she is to test. I'm thinking she can come to the court, as that might be the closest to her if she has to test.
Yes. Well, it's going to be up to her getting in contact with probation, or probation getting in contact with her. Mr. I'm going to set it. You want a trial date, ma'am? Miss Lockhart?
Yes, Your Honor.
You want a trial date?
Yes, Your Honor.
I'm setting a trial date for March the 5th, 2024 at 9 a.m. I have the file marked, need appointed attorney, refer to probation, testing 1 time per week, no leaving the state without the court's permission, no drinking during the pendency of this case. I did change your, I did have the file marked to change your address to the address that was listed in the chat. And I have your phone number. You should get a information. You should get a call from probation and from the appointed counsel. If you don't hear from them by next week, ma'am, you need to get in touch with the court and we can help you facilitate that. All right?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. I'm sorry you got to go through this, ma'am, but this is something that just got to be taken care of. This thing has been sitting out here, lingering out here for all these years. And the fact that you went to Alabama and this case has been open and it's been 10 or plus
18 years. I went to
Yeah.
Alabama 12 years after that. I didn't even know I had that, sir. I was still here for 12 years.
And it happens that way sometimes, but
Okay.
it's got to still be taken care of.
Yes, Your Honor.
You know, it sounds like something you got to, the time, maybe that may have helped you out on this. I don't know. So let's try to have a safe and happy holiday season, ma'am. If you don't hear from them next week, let's just zoom back in and we can try to help you get that stuff in order, all right?
Yes, Your Honor.
Have a safe and happy holiday season. Best of luck to you.
Thank you.
All right. Justin Generette, is he here? Did he ever zoom back in? No. Oglesby, Norman.
Your Honor, may I go into a breakout room?
Yes,
with
this
the
me right
prosecutor?
here. This
Yes,
me right
go
here.
into a breakout room with Mr. Geringer. And you to discuss these matters that are set for trial. I'm trying to give you an opportunity, Mr. Geringer, to move around as freely, all right? All right, join the breakout room. Go ahead and get the breakout room 4 is always a good one for that type of stuff. All right.
Thank you.
All right. What's your middle name, Mr. Oglesby?
Sanford, Norman Sanford Oglesby.
Yes.
Hello, you can see me?
Yeah, I do see you. Yeah, that's fine. What's your date of birth?
7/21/96.
Okay, good. Focus and let us take this. Morning, Your Honor.
Good morning.
We have a lot of new employees here.
Very good. Congratulations, everyone. All right, hello.
Yes, I too. Nice. Hi, how are you?
All right, how are you? How you doing? You all right? Good, good.
I'm good. How you doing?
All right, let's get going. This is the City of Detroit versus Norman Oglesby, case number U67082123. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Oglesby.
Norman Sanford Oglesby Jr.
Today is the date and time set for a pretrial in the matter. Let's see. It said your client was down there fighting. He absolute. So we're gonna give this a 6-month delayed sentence. $240 fine. If he doesn't get any more trouble like this, then we will we'll dismiss the case in 6 months. We will. He has an absolute right to a trial. Join the breakout room. Speak to Mr. Berry. Let us know what you want to do when you come out, Mr. Holmes. All right, who's on that phone at 734-636? I thought I asked that already. Press *6 to unmute yourself, please. What's your name? 734-636-3614?
Yes, Your Honor.
Musabe.
Yes, that's me, Mr. Musabe.
Gonzalez Musabe.
Yes, that's me, Your Honor. I pressed *6, but it's not coming. It's not the picture's not coming out.
It worked. No, it's not going to come up. You called in, so there's not going to be a video. It worked though on the phone.
So what do I have to do? Just be on the phone, stay on the.
I can tell Mr. Musabe's voice from anywhere.
Right. So what do I do?
Well, just sit tight. We got to wait on a lawyer to come.
Okay, sir.
I'm going to still sit here and rename some people. What about M? Who's just got the letter M by their name? I'm going to ask you to unmute yourself. M period. M period. I asked you to unmute yourself. All right, they're not responding. Rick G's iPhone. Let's see what your full name is, sir.
It is Roderick Grimes.
Roderick Grimes. Good morning to you.
Good morning.
Roderick Ivy Grimes?
Yeah, Roderick Ive Grimes.
Ive.
Yes.
What about Xfinity? Who's on the Xfinity device? I'm asking you to unmute yourself.
Hello, Your Honor. My name is Aaron Bennett.
Aaron Bennett?
Yeah, Aaron William Bennett.
Good morning to you.
Good morning.
Nope, not yet. What about Juwan's iPhone? Juwan Looney?
Yes, hello?
Is that Juwan Looney?
Yes.
Good morning, sir. Do you have a valid license?
No, Your Honor. I had went to second.
Say less, please. All right. What about on that iPhone 248-636-5740? Ask you to unmute yourself. Yeah, you, sir, with the beard, looking into the camera.
Joey, grab it.
I've already talked to Mr. Gravitt. If I've already acknowledged you, you don't need to say anymore,
Okay.
right?
Okay.
I'm asking that gentleman to unmute himself. He's looking into the camera. And now you can speak, sir. I can hear you. Go ahead. State your name on the iPhone 248. iPhone 248-636-5740.
Can you hear me? Mylan LaRock.
Say that again. LaRock.
Mylan LaRock.
Like Scott LaRock. All right. Good morning to you.
Good morning.
I think that's it. Joshua Hopkins. Oh. Are you there, sir?
Yes.
Is that your name?
Joshua Hoskins.
Hoskins?
Yes.
I don't know if you're in the right place. Let's see if you're in the right place. Your middle name?
Donnell.
You need to be in Millhouse's courtroom. Let's see.
So what I do wrong?
You have so many tickets. I don't know. Maybe one of them is attached to me. Let's see.
You said what?
You have so many tickets. I'm seeing if one of them is attached to me.
Oh.
No. Today is the 14th. You're not supposed to be here until the 14th, and you're supposed to be in Millhouse's courtroom. Donna Millhouse. So today is, so call over to Millhouse's courtroom for me, please, and see Mr. Hoskins has been here in the morning and he got into the wrong. Stand by, we'll see if we can get you over there, all right?
All right, appreciate it, man.
All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Oglesby. Mr. Oglesby, let's give you an opportunity to speak with Mr. Berry. Mr. Berry, what's your client want to do?
Mr. Oglesby would avail himself of
You're breaking all up, Mr. Berry.
Your Honor, with himself of the offer. He stands ready to enter into based on a 6-month delayed sentence.
Yeah, I should have included in that some anger management. But 6-month delay. What you want to do, Mr. Oglesby?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I will take it. I'll take the plea.
Raise your right hand, please. Swear or affirm, tell the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth.
Swear I promise to tell the truth, nothing but the whole truth. Yes, Your Honor.
All right, you can put your hand down, sir. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 90 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes, sir.
You understand? You can put your hand down. You understand you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Berry went over your other advice and rights in the breakout room, did he not?
Yes, sir.
You understood those rights?
Yes, sir.
Any questions about those rights?
No, not at the moment.
You know, by taking this deal, you're going to give those rights up?
Say it again.
You know, by taking this deal, you're going to give those rights up?
Yeah, bro.
Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No.
Let me draw your attention back to September 24th, 2023 at around 12:09 a.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of Cadillac and Randolph. Were you out there at that date and time?
Where at?
Cadillac in Randolph, downtown.
Yeah, downtown by East Adams Street.
East Adams? Yo! Cadillac and Randolph. Were you out there at that date and time?
Cadillac and Randolph. I was by the 7-Eleven downtown on East. I'm from out of town, sir. I'm from San Francisco, so I'm having a hard time understanding the areas. You know,
are you in Detroit now?
Yeah, I'm in Detroit currently. Yes, sir.
You're gonna take that fighting stuff back to San Francisco with you?
No, sir. With my situation, I'm having to take the plea. But I would really love to go to trial, to be honest, because I have video footage of me getting beat up. I had to go to hospital that same night. So I was the one jumped down here.
You don't have to take the plea.
With my situation, I will.
Hold on 1 second. Hold on 1 second. Let's go off the record. Hoskins? Hoskins?
Yes.
Hang up and zoom into 360-360-0340.
360-360-0430.
No, 0340. 360-360-0340. You can always go on 36th District Court website to Judge Millhouse and zoom in directly from there, but 360-360-0340.
0340. All right, thanks.
And the phone number is 965-2296. All right.
All right.
Safe and happy holiday season. Best of luck to you. All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Oglesby. So, Mr. Oglesby, I can I'll give you the trial date. If he wasn't out there, I mean, if he's out there, if he gets beat up, then I don't know if he initiated anything or not. Do you get a ticket for defending yourself, Mr. Barrett?
No, sir, but my situation is I kind of just wanted to all be over.
Well, it's too late. It's too late for that now. It's too late for that now.
Oh yeah, I mean, I'll put it this way, Your Honor. I'm came on vacation, leave on probation type situation. Out of towner, trying to see what Detroit's about. I'm just trying to deal with this so I can get on. So I can get up.
Mr. Berry, stop talking, please. Stop talking, Mr. Oglesby.
Yes, sir.
Stop talking, please.
Yeah, that's his.
I mean, he sounds like he's alleging that he was pretty much only defending himself. That's what it sounds like he was doing. Now, I don't know if he wants to admit to fighting or not.
He would take the plea, but he is not. He is not. As the court can see, he's not in a position to enter the plea.
No, I'm gonna take the plea.
No, it's not your option, sir.
It's not an option. It's not an option now, sir. I'm not going to sit here and let you plead. If you take a second and listen to me.
Yes, sir. I'm sorry. Yes, sir. I'm sorry.
I'm not gonna sit here and let you take a plea and you tell me that you come to the city of Detroit to see what Detroit's all about, and somebody comes and beats you up. And you're saying that you didn't, they got fighting down here, but yeah, you could be fighting, but I got a right to fight to defend myself. That's what it sounds like you're saying to me.
Yeah.
So then you're gonna go back to San Francisco and you're gonna tell everybody, oh, the judge made me take this plea. I wasn't doing nothing, I got beat up. So come back for trial. You can do it by Zoom.
I was about to say, Your Honor, I was engaging in fighting. I wouldn't even say, you know what, because I was engaging in fighting, Your Honor. Yeah.
See, now you're all over the board. Now your credibility is now you're ruining your credibility.
No, because
you want to get it over with, you're willing to say whatever it is to get it over with.
No, ma'am. I mean, no, sir. It's a situation to where, like, it's not that I want to get it over. It's just I just want to be completely honest with just my wrong and then the actual event too. Like, I don't want to. I usually don't come to court. Like, I'm not a court person at all. I just want to kind of be transparent and honest. Like, I take the plea. I'm willing to take the plea. I'm just being accountable.
I don't.
No, we don't. Your Honor, and we'll need the appointment of counsel.
All right. Yeah, I don't understand where you're going. I don't understand it now.
Yes, sir. I was engaging in fighting.
Could you just be quiet, sir? Just be quiet.
Yes,
what's your phone number, sir?
313-727-7535.
How long do you plan on staying here?
I plan on being here until January or February, because I have to go. My mom is currently she's not gonna be here very long. I got a job out. What brought me out here was my job. And it's just a lot of stuff with my life, Your Honor, going on. But I'm just giving my mama time, to spend time with her for that day.
I can understand I can relate to that because my mom is probably not going to be here much longer either. But at the end of the day, I can't let you take a plea when you say you're coming to Detroit. This is what you told me, and you're out there and you got beat up, and you made it seem as though you were not the aggressor. I guess you are fighting, but at the end of the day, if you say that you're basically defending yourself, I'm not gonna let that's not gonna fly like that. Come back on January 29th, 2024 at 9 a.m. I have the file marked need an appointed counsel. The counsel will call you, so you answer any calls that you may not recognize. That's gonna be that lawyer. If you don't hear from the lawyer in the next couple of weeks, I need you to zoom back in. That's gonna be set for trial at 9 a.m., all right?
Okay, trial at 9 a.m.
on January 29th, 2024. If there's nothing further, sir, I wish your mom the best of luck. We'll be praying for her and you, and have a very good day. Safe and happy holiday season, all right?
Yes, sir. Thank you. And you said at 9 a.m.?
And yeah, January 29th, 2024 at 9 a.m. Same Zoom room.
Okay. Yes, sir.
All right. Are you ready on Gaston?
Yes, sir. I'm good to go.
You're good to go.
Yes, sir. Thank you, Judge Perkins. You have a blessed one.
You too.
All right.
Gaston, are we ready on Gaston?
No. I believe we are, Your Honor.
She said no. I thought that's what she said. Can you go get the officers out?
Yes, Judge.
Please. City of Detroit versus Tanel Nicole Gaston, case number SP 132-86972, SP 138-40071, SP 138-9750, counts 1, 2, and U65965-823, U65966-223. Appearance for the record, please.
Attorney Luke Geringer, P85677, appearing on behalf of the City of Detroit.
Sherika Harris, on behalf of Ms. Gaston, House Counsel for today. Ms. Gaston, could you state your name for the record?
Danielle Gaston.
All right, today is the date and time set for a trial in the matter. I do have Officer Robinson in the breakout room.
And Judge, we also have Officer Rogers as well as Officer Hussein.
Okay, all of the officers showed up, basically, Ms. Gaston's thing, huh?
Well, Your Honor, I would ask if Officer Latouf was here.
Is Latouf here?
I've not spoken with Officer Latouf, Judge. Not to my knowledge.
Rogers is here. Go get those officers out, please. There's Officer Rogers, and then Officer Rogers, good morning to you. Can you put your appearance on the record, please?
Yes, Your Honor.
State your name for the record, please.
Police Officer Gabrielle Rogers.
Badge number and department.
2722 Detroit Police Department 11th Precinct.
Good morning to you. Officer Robinson, can you put your appearance on the record, please?
Yes, sir. Officer James Robinson, badge 4189 DPD 12 Precinct.
Very good. Good morning to you. Officer Presley, can you put your appearance on the record, please?
Good morning, Your Honor. Officer Presley, badge 3973.
What department?
Detroit Police Department.
Very well. Officer Hussein, good morning to you. Officer Hussein, good morning to you. Put your appearance on the record, please.
Good morning, officers. Badge 2574, Detroit Police Department 11th Precinct.
Very good. Good morning to you. All right. Today is the date and time set for trial. What's the resolution going to be if we've reached one?
Your Honor, there was a plea offer extended, but at this time, before we could possibly entertain entering into that plea or whether or not to move forward with trial, I think it would be best if Ms. Gaston was appointed counsel so that they could review any discovery and go over that with her. I have provided her contact information in the chat.
Response to that, Mr. Geringer?
Judge, the people would stipulate to an adjournment. However, the people did raise one issue with counsel that they believe two of these charges, that would be U65965-823, false info ID, and U65966-223. The people would move to, if we were setting these for another pretrial, the people would move to amend those counts to 31-2-4 of the municipal code, as I believe they're not appearing correctly, Judge.
31-2-4. What is that?
That is false report as opposed to false info ID.
Where's Roger's file? I mean, Gaston's file. Let's see. I think I have it. Yeah. All right. What about your response to that, Counselor?
Your Honor, because she is going to be appointed counsel, I would ask if the motion could be held until that appointed counsel could take the opportunity to research the issue and respond. But if for the limited purposes of being her attorney today, I would likely object and ask the court to dismiss. I would object and ask the court to dismiss as it's not sufficient notice of what she is charged with pursuant to the complaint as filed with the court.
Judge, if I may briefly respond to that.
I don't need any more. I'm gonna deny the motion to dismiss. I have two tickets here, U659-65823 and U659-66223, that both read supply false info to police. And that's what you wanted to amend it to. Is that correct, Counselor?
Judge, I wanted to amend it to false report to police as opposed to false info ID.
Okay, because I have this code written 40-3-1 and it seems like 40-3-1, so that does change things. Listen, the tickets are written wrong, apparently. That's the reason for the motion. We're here set for trial today. The only way I'm gonna, if I grant the motion to adjourn the trial today, Counselor, the defense counsel Harris, then I will grant Mr. Geringer's motion to amend the ticket. If she wants to proceed, then I'll hear your motion to dismiss based on the motion you just gave. But at the end of the day, it's you know, that's what I'm going to do. I think that's only fair.
Have to leave it in the discretion of the court. If she's getting an appointed attorney, I don't want to stand in the way of any things that they may have. And I think the emotion as raised by brother counsel would probably be better suited when she has her attorney there to respond to it properly.
I can buy that.
Judge, if I may respond, I believe I would agree with this court that if we are proceeding today with trial, then this motion could be heard or raised by, or Miss Harris's objection could be raised as a motion to dismiss. However, if we are adjourning and not proceeding with trial, then people would like to be heard on their motion to, if they are agreeing to an adjournment, that on their motion to amend these two counts, Judge. Seeing as Miss Gaston would definitely have sufficient notice at that point, Judge.
We shall move forward with trial today.
Okay. So that you want to go back in the breakout room and speak to Miss Gaston, Miss Harris, based on that?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, go ahead. Go speak to Ms. Harris for SP 1389750 counts 1 and counts 2. Officer Latu. Hearing no response, go ahead for that.
Defense moves to dismiss.
All right, I'm going to grant that motion to dismiss, no officer. I'm gonna put you back in the breakout room, Ms. Gaston, with Ms. Harris, and we'll see how we proceed after that. All right.
Yes, sir.
All right, very well. Mr. Musabe. Is he still with us? Press *6 to unmute yourself, Mr. Musabe. This is the city of Detroit versus Jorge Gonzalez Musabe, case number SP 1108578, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1239985, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1257643, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Howard S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Musadeh.
Yes, my name is Jorge Gonzalez Musibe.
Purposes of arraignment, counselor?
Yes, Your Honor. We would waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
Will enter a not guilty plea on Mr. Musabe's behalf. Give him a $0 bond. Mr. Musabe, you indicated off the record that you got some paperwork. You got your citizenship and things like that taken care of. Is that correct?
Yes, Your Honor. I have everything now. From the last time that I had spoke to you, I believe that you had told me that I had to pay $45 and $90 once I got my paperwork together, so that I was able to get my license reinstated. So I now just got my green card 3 weeks ago. That all my paperwork got stolen from Crunch Fitness at the gym from my book, but that's what created all these problems to begin with. And the reason that I had the tickets because my license was stolen, and all my other paperwork with it. So I finally got everything. I got my resident card, I got an ID, and I got all the paperwork that I needed for whatever you tell me I need to do next.
Well, you need to go get a valid license. Let's see. You need to have a valid license, registration, and insurance would go a long way to clearing this stuff up. Let's see if he owes any reinstatement fee. On this civil infraction, no proof of insurance. Yeah, come on down and pay this reinstatement fee up front.
Right, that's what you had told me. How much is that?
$45.
Right, so where do I pay that, downtown at the 36th district?
Yes.
Okay, all right. All right, Ron, I'll be there this afternoon.
Wait a minute. It looks like he's paid that already.
The $45?
Have you paid that yet?
I don't even remember, Your Honor. I've been waiting for the green card for like 4 months. I just now got it 3 weeks ago. That's why I've been so long, I don't even remember. But maybe I did pay because I know that you told me to pay that first and then go down to and pay another $90, something like that, I believe, Your Honor. Well, I think the 90 was to reinstate my license, and the 45.
We're going to waive the late fee on SP 11085-781. Waive late fee. Send note to abstract clerk. All right. Come back January 29th, 2024 at 8:30. Go to the Secretary of State, Mr. Musabe, as soon as possible. See if you can, they'll give you a valid driver's license. If not,
okay,
come back, come zoom in and let us know where you're at with that valid license, okay?
Okay, Your Honor. So I go to the Secretary of State. I could go tomorrow and
see what they say about a valid license.
Okay, all right, Your Honor. All right.
All right. There's nothing further. If I don't see you before the holiday, Mr. Musabe, have a safe, happy holiday season. Best of luck to you. And if something else, if you should be able to get a license. You'll ask them for a printout if they don't, so you can let the lawyer know when you come in here the next time what's going on.
All right, Your Honor. I'll do that. As soon as. Okay, I'll say a happy holidays to you and happy holidays to Ms. Jamira.
All right. Thank you.
Okay.
All right.
All right.
Let's go. What about iPhone Lawrence? iPhone Lawrence.
Sam.
I asked you to mention, what's your name, sir? Good morning to you.
Like Gibson.
Gibson.
Yeah, so
Bashan? Is it Bashan Gibson?
No. No.
What's your last name? What's your full name? And how do you spell it? G-I-B or G-I-P?
G-I-B, B as in boy, G-I-B-S-O-N.
Lawrence, all right. I see. You have a valid license, sir?
No.
Mr. Gibson?
Yes, sir.
City of Detroit versus Lawrence Allen Gibson, case number SP 1477285, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Gibson.
Well, acting as Lawrence Gibson.
Your Honor,
go ahead.
My client would stand mute.
Enter a not guilty plea on his behalf, give him a $0 bond. Mr. Gibson, why don't you have a valid license? Excuse me.
Well, unfortunately, two simple reasons. The length of time, I ended up, I thought it was okay when initial traffic incident took place and I wanted to go and get one.
That's not simple enough. Let me ask you this, Mr. Gibson. Can you go get a valid license now?
Yeah. Sir, I have an appointment today, to be honest.
Come back on January, bring some valid insurance and license, and if you come back, I'll offer you a blocking traffic if you have those 2 documents. 8:30 on January 29th, all right?
No problem.
Safe and happy holiday season. Best of luck to you.
Happy New Year. Thank you.
You as well. Joy G.
Yeah, here.
City of Detroit versus Joy G. Case number SP 138-37791. Appearance for the record, please.
Sherika Harris on behalf of defendant G. Please state your name for the record.
Joy G.
Ms. G, today is the date and time set for a pretrial. Do you have valid registration and insurance?
Yes.
Let's see what you have, ma'am.
I sent it to Mr. Berry last time we had court also, but I got it on the phone right here. Let's see if you can see it.
I can't see that. Can you send it to me?
Yep, I can send it to you.
All right, I'm gonna put my information, my email address in the chat. Do you have valid registration?
Yes.
Seems like you're on the insurance website right now, correct?
No, I got it on a friend phone of mine because it was on my phone, but I'm about to send it to you now.
Yeah, but it seems like you would be able to email me that directly from the website. I'm just telling you that so it'll be quicker. If you send me a picture of it or something, it's probably going to take a while. Let me see the valid registration, please. I don't know why it's not spotlighting. Hold it still. It's coming through very blurry. Jasmine Lee, Joy, Joy, I see a trust of, back it up a little bit. You have that on the phone too?
Yes, I'm at work.
All right, send me the information and I'll close it out if it's satisfactory.
Okay, the information is not on the screen no more.
You can go to it's in the chat. So hit the chat down there.
Oh, okay, I got it. Yeah.
All right. pass the matter until Ms. G gets that to me. All right, James iPhone. James iPhone is not here anymore. All right, Corbett.
Yes. Grab it.
Grab it. Sorry about that. The city of Detroit and the state of Michigan versus Joey Anthony Gravitt. SP 1112535, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1151027, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1225905, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1292818, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1372982, counts 1 and counts 2 and counts 3. SP 1374946, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1374948, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1374949, SP 1376961, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1383008, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1383012, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1396255, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1396275, 1. SP 1405227, counts 1, 2, and 3. State of Michigan versus Joey Anthony Gravitt, case number SX 4185449, counts 1, 2, and 3. Finally, appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Gravitt.
Joey Anthony Gravitt.
Your Honor, my client would stand mute.
We are not guilty plea on his behalf. Give him a $0 bond. That's a lot of neglect. Trial date, or we can try to get an offer on this stuff. It's going to be trial because it's got at least one false insurance proof. Trial. Come back August the 3rd. Strike that. Come back March the 5th, 2024 at 9 a.m. All right, sir?
March 5th?
March 5th,
at 9
a.m.
Yes, I have it.
Safe and happy holiday season, sir.
Thank you. You as well.
Grisham. Daniel. Set for trial.
I have an offer, but I need him to join a breakout room so I can discuss it.
Let me get him in the breakout room.
Oh, he's in there. Thank you.
All right, well, we'll deal, are we dealing with Gaston first, or you want to go to discuss that?
With Gaston, we are waiting to see if discovery will be available.
All right, so go ahead and talk to Grisham. All right, M, I asked for M to unmute themselves. M, period. What's your name, sir? With the stocking cap. Can you remove the stocking cap from your head, please? What's your name, sir?
Marcos Lamont Nelson.
Nelson, good morning to you.
Good morning, Your Honor.
I don't know if you're in the right courtroom. Just look it up. Let me, is that it? All right, give me correct spelling, Nelson, Nelson, right?
Yeah, it's hyphenated. The first part is Lamont, Lemo.
Okay, hold on, let me see. Lamont.
Yeah.
That makes better sense there. Okay, I see it. This is the city of Detroit versus Marcos Lamont Nelson, case number SP 122-76831, SP 126-3470, counts 1, 2, and 3, SP 1510564, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Otis Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Lamont Nelson.
Marcos Lamont Nelson.
Your Honor, for purposes of the show cause, we would, my client would stand mute.
All right, not guilty plea on your client's behalf. We'll give your client a $0 bond. Mr. Nelson, you have a valid license, registration, valid license and insurance?
I have my insurance and registration. I'm working on my license.
How long is it going to take you to get your license straight out?
2 weeks max.
Come back on January 29th, 2023. I mean, not guilty plea on this behalf. Give him a $0 bond at 8:30. All right. Hopefully, you can have a valid license, the registration and insurance on that day. We can get you a better offer. Safe and happy holiday season, sir. Best of luck to you. All right.
Same to you, Your Honor.
Thank you. Grimes, Roderick. City of Detroit versus Roderick I. Grimes, case number SP 11287701, SP 110576. Counts 1 and counts 2. SP 11999949, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1502570, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Grimes.
Did he leave? Ricky G's, that's him. Ask you to unmute yourself, sir. Is he there? Ask you to unmute yourself. All right, he must have fell asleep. Pass the matter, and if he doesn't wake up, we'll get him on another day.
Is it possible to see if to confirm the validity of Mr. Grisman's license?
It is possible. Can you run that license, please? All right. Aaron Bennett.
Yes, Your Honor.
City of Detroit. Good morning towards the City of Detroit versus Aaron William Bennett. Case number SP 11940641, U656-82623. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Bennett.
Aaron William Bennett.
Your Honor, my client would stand mute.
you're not guilty plea on your client's behalf, your client's $0 bond. Offer's going to be pleading to the disorderly conduct. Amendment counts, $240 fine. He has an absolute right to a trial. I'm gonna put you in a breakout for you to explain it to you. And we'll dismiss the suspended driver's license ticket. All right. Join the room, please.
How? Oh boy.
I have an actual ticket here, Mr. Barrett. You know how to join that, sir?
I do not, Your Honor.
You gotta hit the join button.
Oh boy. I do not see a join button.
You don't see a prompt saying go to breakout room 2?
I do not. No, I do not. I'm not getting any prompt.
Not getting the prompt saying breakout room 5?
Your Honor,
Yes.
I think you moved Rick G, not Mr. Bennett.
Very well.
All right. Thought it was me.
That would explain it.
Okay. Here we go. Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. Thank you, Ms. Harris. Are we ready on anybody? Ms. Harris?
We're just waiting on the confirmation that Mr. Grisman's license is valid, and I'm hopeful that the city prosecutor might make another recommendation.
I got half of a file. All right, the license is valid.
Very good. Miss Harris, was he able to provide other information to you regarding any other documents?
Not at this time.
Okay. Judge, if we could just pass on this briefly, just because I'm changing the offer.
Mr. Looney, are you there?
Yes, hello.
All right, good morning to you, sir.
Good morning,
This is
Donnie.
the City of Detroit versus Jawan Tyre Looney, case number SP 11052493, SP 1491793, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Sherika Harris, on behalf of the defendant, please state your name for the record.
Jawan Tyre Looney.
Yes, sir.
Today, the open alcohol on a motor vehicle passenger, he never paid. He owes $342 on that. So we're dealing with the improper license and the insufficient lights tickets. He indicated, I think, off the record that he doesn't have a license as of now. I can give an opportunity to get a license if I haven't already. Have I given you an opportunity to get the license?
Yes, Your Honor, but when I went to Secretary of State, they the court, it got a hold on my license to where I couldn't take the driver's test, but I had paid my reinstatement fees, everything. I took care of everything.
Right, because you didn't right, because you didn't ever pay this ticket that you had. I'm thinking.
No, Your Honor, because they had pulled me over because my headlights was going on and off.
I didn't ask why they pulled you over. I'm saying you didn't get a license probably because you never paid that open alcohol on a motor vehicle passenger ticket that you got. I don't know. They should have told you why though. I don't know.
Nah, Secretary of State, they was telling me that the court gave me a temporary license or something, and they was saying that I gotta go back to court. And then they told me I had to come back to court and I could get it lifted off so I could go ahead and get my license. And they told me I guess they told me I had to wait till I go back to court to see you. And then the last court day that we had, you wasn't in that day, Your Honor.
All it is that you have you don't have a valid, you owe this. I don't know. You should have got a printout and they would have told you. I'm going to reduce this to $285 that you originally entered into. That'll basically save you, I think, maybe about $57 or something. That's the original agreement of $285 on that open alcohol on a motor vehicle passenger that you never paid. You enter into these agreements to pay and you don't pay, and that's why they don't give you a license. So I'm going to give you one more chance, pretrial January 29th, 2024 at 8:30 to get this stuff resolved. You're going to owe $285 on that open alcohol on a motor vehicle passenger, and the other ones we're going to put on a pretrial for that January 29th date. All right.
Okay, so I got to come down 36th District to pay the ticket?
Or you can pay that at the DivDag kiosk, the $285. And then you can go to the Secretary of State, and if they don't give you a license after you pay that, I wait 48 to 72 hours after you pay that ticket, and wait 48 to 72 hours and then reapproach them. I don't know if that's what's messing your license up or not, but it appears that that's what's doing it. I don't see you owing anything else. Everything else is closed.
Okay, you say everything else is closed. I'm wondering why Secretary of State.
Are you Tyree? Are you Jawan Tyree Jr.?
No, I'm Jawan Tyree Looney, the older senior. I got a son that's a junior.
Born in 0499?
Yeah, that's my son. That ain't me. That's my son.
Maybe they got you mixed up with your son. I don't know.
I'm trying to figure it out, Your Honor.
Well, go ahead. I'm gonna give you this till January the 29th to do it. Bring a valid license back in, and we'll deal with. You'll only be dealing with the defective light ticket. All right.
Okay, yeah, because she been got the lights fixed, so.
All right, safe and happy holiday season, sir. January 29th, 2024 at 8:30 a.m.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
All right, thank you.
Okay.
Are we ready on anything, Ms. Harris?
The offer on Mr. Grisman is 2 counts of improper plates. I would just ask which officers have checked in.
Corporal McCree and Officer Jerry Jones.
All right, this is the city of Detroit versus Nathaniel Lateef Grisham, case number SP 104-6939, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 104-69451, SP 1197934, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1197959, and SP 123-52611. Appearance for the record, please.
Attorney Luke Garinger, PA 5677, appearing on behalf of the city of Detroit.
Sherrika Harris on behalf of Mr. Grisman. Please state your name for the record.
Nathaniel Grisman.
I have also 18-47-5361, counts 1, 2, and 3, and 18-47-5361. Add those to the records as well. Miss Corporal McCree, good morning to you. Can you put your appearance on the record, please?
Yes, Judge. Good morning. Officer Jamie McCree, badge 2865, Detroit Police Department.
Okay.
Excuse me, Your Honor.
Anybody else here on any other officers here on Grishman?
Yes, Judge, there was an officer, Jerry Jones. He left me his cell phone number. I did speak with him earlier this morning. I believe he was in a training right now.
All right, let me go off the record. Let me go off the record with this for a second, and let me go back on the record with Miss G. I did receive the where's Miss G's from? Oh, I did receive that, Miss G. I'm gonna dismiss your cases for providing valid documentation. If there's nothing further, have a safe and happy holiday season. Best of luck to you.
You too. Thank you.
Thank you. All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Grishman. Officer who? I thought I saw Jones.
Officer Jones.
All right, so the other officers would be Robinson, SP 146939, counts 1, 2, and 3. I didn't hear a response and didn't see Officer K. Robinson join the room.
Defense moves to dismiss.
All right, I'll grant that motion. And that's going to be on SP 10469451. All right. For SP 1235261, is there Officer Lewinsky? Officer Lewinsky here, no response.
Defense moves to dismiss.
We'll dismiss that case. The other matters is SP 119794, counts 1 and counts 2. And then SP 11979591 were written by Officer Jamie McCree, Corporal Jamie McCree, I'm sorry, 591. 2, 3. And 18475-361 counts 1, 2, and 3, and 18475-3621. Those were the Officer Jones that I believe checked in, but is not here now. So the offer, as it stands right now, is 2 counts of improper plates. Is that correct?
That's correct, Judge.
Ms. Harris, that's $240 a piece. I'll waive the warrant fees. He's going to be responsible to pay any reinstatement fees. I'll dismiss those tickets upon payment. Those will not abstract to the Secretary of State, therefore they won't carry any points. I'll let you speak, Ms. Harris.
Your Honor, my client has been advised of his rights. Before we tender the plea, I would ask if Officer Jones could be asked to come back to the courtroom.
Very well.
Very well, I'll call him.
All right, let's pass the matter one more time and see if we can get Officer Jones back in here. All right. All right. Now, let's go call What about Mr. Bennett? Let's go back on the record with Mr. Bennett. Mr. Bennett, I've given you an opportunity to speak with counsel in the breakout room. Counselor, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, we seek a trial, and Mr. Bennett will require the appointment of a counsel.
All right, is that what you want to do, Mr. Bennett?
Yes, Your Honor.
I need a good phone number from you, please.
313-523-8092.
All right, I'm going to mark the file need appointed counsel. It'd help if you had a valid driver's license when you came back.
Yeah, I've had a valid.
You have a valid license?
I have had one, a valid license.
You have a license now?
Yeah, I've had it for years.
All right. All right. Well, let's answer any calls that you may not recognize. That should be that appointed counsel. I'm gonna set a trial date. I'm gonna set a trial date for March the 5th, 2024 at 9 a.m. All right.
Thank you, Your Honor.
If you don't have any further questions, have a safe and happy holiday season, sir. Best of luck to you.
You as well, Your Honor.
All right, you woke up, Mr. Roderick Grimes?
Yeah, I guess so. Yes, sir.
Your Honor, what was the trial date? March the 5th or 25th?
March the 5th.
Say, Judge
All right.
Perkins, this Corporal McCree.
Yes.
Sorry to interrupt, sir. Can I be dismissed or excused?
That's fine with me. You gave the offer. Why don't you just wait 1 second for what, Miss Harris? Do you need Corporal McCree?
No, Your Honor.
All right.
Okay,
Yeah,
will
you
do.
can go. Have a safe and happy holiday season. If I don't see you, Corporal McCree, be safe out there.
Thank you, sir. You too.
All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Roderick Grimes. Who put their appearance on the record for Mr. Grimes?
Yes, sir.
I will, Your Honor. Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Grimes.
Roderick I. Grimes Jr.
All right, today is the date and time set for a pre-trial on some stuff. This is a case. Do you have valid license, registration, and insurance, sir?
Yeah, I have license and registration. I wasn't able to get the insurance yet because I work construction and we kind of like down during the winter and there hasn't been any snow. So like I'm working my side job now, but that doesn't pay that well, and that's paid every 2 weeks. But I have license and registration. I did have that.
I'm gonna give you some more time. I'm gonna set the matter for trial / formal hearing on all matters. Bring a license.
What am I facing right now, sir? Like, what am I facing? License and what is it? No registration.
You have a license here. Run his license. We'll get him an offer right quick. Let's pass the matter. Let's get him an offer, and then he can decide whether he wants to go forward or not. Delane Lloyd.
Lakia Lloyd, Your Honor.
Delonte Lloyd. Delonte Lloyd. Lloyd.
Yes, Your Honor, Lakia Lloyd.
Good to you, ma'am.
Happy holidays and good morning to you too, sir.
City of Detroit. All right, let's go back on the record for Mr. Grimes. Mr. Grimes has a valid license He indicated that he has valid insurance, although I haven't seen that yet. But based on that, he has basically document tickets here, no insurance, expired license, expired plate, civil infraction, no insurance misdemeanor, unregistered, untitled, defective windshield or something, bumper, no insurance misdemeanor, and expired plate. What are you gonna offer, Mr.?
You
What are you
talking
gonna
about
offer,
that money, the
what are you
money
gonna
color,
offer,
sir?
Mr.? Hold on. What are you gonna offer? What are you gonna offer, Mr. Grimes? Mr. Garinger?
Oh, sorry, Judge. I was Corporal Jones had entered the waiting room. I was
All right.
Mr. Grimes,
Sir.
1 moment, Judge.
Sir, can I add something?
No.
Why don't you just listen for a second, please?
Okay.
I'm gonna give you a chance to speak. Just get the preliminary. You don't have that one.
Has Mr. Grimes spoken with defense counsel to determine if he has been able to provide any documents, Judge?
Let's see that registration you say you have. You're gonna have to turn the background off in order for us to see it, Mr. Grimes. I do have a valid license in Mr. Grimes's name.
Okay, very good.
Yeah, I got the registration. Let me put my wallet out.
All right, turn that background off too. All right, when you get.
Okay. Just 1 second. Okay, here it is.
All right, you have to turn the background off.
How do I do? Let me see how to do that.
Mr. Grimes, I don't believe the court's able to see still. I believe the blurred background.
I'm trying to, I don't see it. It would be at the bottom, I guess. I'm trying to go through the bottom and cut it off. Disconnect. Oh, I see it. Okay.
All right.
Can you see it?
That looks like a valid registration.
Yes. The people would make an offer for 1 count improper plates as to no insurance, SP 1502570, count 1, dismiss the remainder.
SP 112877001, is that what you said, or SP 5?
SP 1502570.
Offers improper plate, you can put that down. Offers improper plate. Go back in the breakout room, speak to Mr. Berry. That's a $240 fine. All the other cases will be dismissed. I'll waive the warrant fees. You'll be responsible to pay any reinstatement fees. That will not abstract to the Secretary of State. Therefore, it will not carry any points. So speak to Mr. Berry about that in the breakout room. You can rejoin that room, please.
Okay.
Judge, I believe Corporal Jones has re-signed into the Zoom hearing regarding defendant Nathaniel Grisman.
Now, how do I join the breakout room?
You should have a prompt, go back to hit more. You should be still able to join that room. Hit the more button on the side somewhere, and it should, that breakout room should come back up.
Okay, join.
Are you there?
You see it there? You see it there?
Yeah. Are you? Is this the break?
Go ahead. Join it. Try to join it again. All right. Let's go off the record with that. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Grishman. Good morning, Corporal Jones. Can you put your appearance on the record, please?
Corporal Jerry Jones, badge 15307, Precinct, Detroit Police. Good morning.
Okay, good morning. All right, Ms. Harris.
In that regard, I understand that the offer is 2 counts of improper plates. Mr. Grissman, you've been advised of your rights. Are you entering a plea?
Correct.
You said correct?
Yes, I have been advised of my rights.
And you want to take the deal, $240 a piece, will not abstract to the Secretary of State, therefore they won't carry any points?
Correct.
Is that what you want to do, sir? Is that what you want to do?
Yes, sir.
Can you raise your right hand, please? You swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
I do.
Now you can put your hand down. You understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Correct.
You understand you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes.
Ms. Harris went over your other advice and rights in the breakout room, did she not?
She did.
You understood those rights?
Yes, sir.
Any questions about those rights?
How much time do I have to pay those fines?
I haven't got to that point yet. Any questions about those rights?
No, sir.
Now, you know, by taking this deal, you're going to give those rights up?
Correct.
Anybody offer you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No, sir.
Let me draw your attention back to May the 9th, 2021 at around 3:06 p.m. in the city of Detroit in the area of Van Dyke and Morgan Street. Sir, did you have an occasion on that day to come in contact with the Detroit Police Department?
If it's documented, I can't dispute it. I mean, I can't really remember back.
Well, you can't. You absolutely can dispute it. That's why we're here. Just because officer wrote you a ticket doesn't mean it had to be you. You have to recollect. If you don't.
You say that was on Van Dyke and where?
In Morgan Street on May the 9th, 2021 at around 3:06 p.m. City of Detroit. Say you were operating a Dodge, 2006 Dodge.
Okay, yeah, okay.
No plate, no or temporary tag.
No plate or tag?
Nope. I think
Your
you
Honor,
need to
this
go
is
back.
from,
I
Your Honor,
think
this is
you
from
need to go back.
2018.
2001, 2021. I think you need
For
to
the
go back and.
could we do this as a no contest?
No objection.
All right, will you stipulate to the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis for that, for the responsible plea?
So stipulated, Your Honor.
All right, using the ticket as a factual basis, I'm gonna conclude, I'll enter a not guilty, a no contest plea for SP 1197934, for the amended, on count one, for the amended count of improper complaint. Item 240. I'll dismiss upon payment and dismiss those other matters. What about on the 2018 ticket? Is that going to be no contest as well?
If the court will allow, yes, Your Honor.
There's no objection on that. It goes further back, so I'm
No objection.
All right. Enter a no contest plea if you stipulate to the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis for using the ticket as a factual basis for what happened on that day.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
All right, with those stipulations, I'll enter no contest. It's going to be treated as a guilty plea, sir. So I'm going to fine you $240 apiece. I told you I'd waive the warrant fees. You're going to owe the reinstatement fees. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 reinstatement fees as I see them. And but I'm concerned just about the 240 and the 240. You need to concern yourself with the reinstatement fees. When can you pay it?
Can I have after the holidays?
Yeah. Let's give them till 30 days. Let's give them January 18th, 2024. Come back at 8:30 on that day, sir, on January 18th, 2024. And if they're paying, we'll dismiss the matters, all right?
Okay, at what time?
At 8:25.
Okay, January 18th, 2024 at
8:25.
25. Okay.
Yep. Have a safe and happy holiday season, sir. Best of luck to you.
I have a question for you.
What's your question?
What's the ticket numbers? The 240 and the 240. What's the ticket numbers for those? So when I go to pay them, I could pay on the correct tickets that you asked me to pay on.
Well, they'll be on there. All the other ones will be dismissed, but here, if you have an ink pen, I'll give it to you. One is 18. One is 18-47-5361.
Can you slow down for me? 18-47.
5361.
Okay, 18-47-5361. And what's the other ticket number?
Make that 611.
Okay, 18-47-53611.
Yeah, and then the other one is SP 11979341. SP 11979341.
That's SP 119799341.
No, this SP 11977. Yes, 979341. Yes. SP 119799341.
Okay, SP 11979341.
Yes, and then you're going to see a bunch of $45 reinstatement fees. You'll see $285 on both of those tickets. $285, you'll see it come up as $285, all right?
Okay, so that's what I
paid.
Okay, so the reinstatement fee for these two tickets are included in the tickets, which brings it up to
In the
285.
240, yes, and then the other reinstatement fees will just look at $45.
Okay.
All right, if there's nothing further, sir, have a safe, happy holiday
Okay, so
season.
that-
Comes back on January 18th, all right?
Okay, thank you. You too, sir.
Yeah, no, should have given it. That's that young lady. So, all right. Let's go with Ms. Lloyd.
Yes, sir.
This is the city of Detroit versus Lakia Monet Lloyd. Case number SP 1509016, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1509058, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please, Ms. Harris.
Sherika Harris, on behalf of Ms. Lloyd, please state your name for the record.
Lakia Monet Lloyd.
All right, good morning to you, ma'am. Today is
Good
the date
morning,
and
sir.
time
Happy
set.
holidays. Yes, sir.
Happy holidays. Today is the date and time set for a
Show cause, and for purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute.
there we go. Enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. Will give your client a $0 bond. Ms. Lloyd, you have the open alcohol in the motor vehicle driver. The only thing the city's willing to do is go down to open alcohol in the motor vehicle passenger. Ms. Harris will explain that it's really no difference in my eyes, but some people say $240 fine, 2 points on your license, and an alcohol-related offense on your license. That's the same punishment for the open alcohol motor vehicle passenger, what the city's only willing to go down to. She's going to explain that to you. You have an absolute right to a trial. Join the breakout room and let's see where and talk with this.
Yes, sir. Okay. Thank you.
All right. Mr. Grimes and Mr. Berry, is Mr. Grimes ready?
Yeah.
Ready, Your Honor.
All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Grimes. Mr. Grimes, I've given you an opportunity to speak with counsel in the breakout room. Counsel, what's Mr. Grimes want to do?
He would avail himself of the offer, Your Honor, and enter a plea to improper plates.
All right. Is that what you want to do, Mr. Grimes?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. All right, can you raise your right hand, please? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes, sir.
All right, you can put your hand down. You understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
$93 and 3 days in jail. Yes, sir. I understand
That's
that.
that's what the maximum possible penalty is.
Yes.
Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
You understand you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Berry went over your other advice and rights in the breakout room, did he not?
Yes, he did.
You understood those rights?
Yes.
Any questions about those rights?
No.
You know, by taking this deal, you're gonna give those rights up?
Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No.
Let me draw your attention back to September the 20th, 2023 at around 3:50 p.m. in the city of Detroit in the area of Plymouth and Rutland Street. Did you have an occasion on the day to encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes.
Were you operating a motor vehicle?
Yes.
Did the officer ask you to produce valid insurance for that?
Yes.
You couldn't do so, could you?
No.
Why is that?
It wasn't valid.
Very well. I'm gonna find you guilty of the amended count of improper plates. I'm gonna find you 240. I told you I'd dismiss upon payment. Stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the remaining matters.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
All right, I'm gonna dismiss those matters. I'll waive the warrant fees. You'll be responsible to pay any reinstatement fees. Mr. Grimes, when can you pay it?
Can it be sometime in January? Probably like
January 18th. January 18th, 2024 at 8:25. Come back for a review, all right?
Okay, let me write that down. January 18th
18th
at
at 8:25.
January.
All right, have a safe and happy holiday season, sir. Best of luck to you, all right?
Thank you. You as well.
All right, this is the City of Detroit versus Delonte Cornell Lloyd, case number SP 137785553, SP 1444642, counts 1 and 2, SP 1503488, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Am I okay to log on?
You're okay to log off. Have a safe, happy holiday season.
Oh, thank you.
All right. Go ahead, Mr. Berry on Lloyd.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Lloyd.
Delonte Cornell Lloyd.
Your Honor, for purposes of the arraignment, my client would stand mute.
Not guilty plea on his behalf, give him a $0 bond. He can pay a reinstatement fee and potentially get a valid driver's license. I'll allow him to do that if he wants to. Set up for a pretrial date on January 30th, 2024 at 8:30 a.m. Or we can get him an offer on all the matters. What would you like to do, Mr. Lloyd?
I want to get my license.
All right, let's give him an opportunity to get the license. SP 1444-6422. That's a no insurance proof. I'm gonna allow you to pay reinstatement fee on that.
May I speak on that matter? I had proof of insurance at the time of me being pulled over, but the officer didn't allow me to pull it up. I have digital cards.
All right, that's not even a date and time to be discussing that. I'm giving you an opportunity to get a valid license. I'll give you an opportunity to show the proof of insurance at some point. Right now, you want to get a license. I'm giving you an opportunity to pay the reinstatement fee up front on that no insurance. You also owe $30 on a no insurance. I guess that may have gotten dismissed. And you owe $210 on a blocking traffic hold ticket. But what I'm concerned about getting this license is SP 1444-6422. Pay no insurance proof, $45 reinstatement fee up front. You pay that, wait 48 to 72 hours, and approach the Secretary of State and see if they'll give you a license, all right?
Yes, sir. Do I go to the kiosk or to the 36th district?
You have to come to the 36th district. There's no way that I can let you pay the $45 reinstatement fee at the kiosk. So you have to come to the 36th district to the window. It's something I'm doing special for you, Mr. Lloyd. All right.
Yes. You guys open on Fridays? That's the only off day I have this week. I could come tomorrow.
They're open on Friday. We're open tomorrow. I'll be here Friday morning.
Okay, cool. I'll be there Friday.
You wait 48 to 72 hours, pay that reinstatement fee, and then you approach the Secretary of State. If they don't give you a license, you can ask them for a printout and they can give you everything that's affecting your license, all right?
Yes, sir.
Your next pretrial date is going to be January 30th, 2024 at 8:30 a.m. All right. Have a safe and happy holiday season, sir. Best of luck to you.
Thanks, you too.
All right. Landrews.
Yes.
Good morning to you, ma'am.
Good morning.
All right. Trial. This is the City of Detroit versus Jasmania Lanisha, go ahead.
Jasmine A. Lanisha Landry.
Jasmine A. I got that wrong the last time. This is the City of Detroit versus Jasmine A. Lanisha Landrews, case number SP 141-03771, SP 141-10201. I'm sorry about the mispronunciation of your name, ma'am. Mr. Berry, put your appearance on the record.
Elwood F. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. Landrews.
Jasmine A. Lanisha Landrews.
Date and time set for trial, Your Honor.
All right, do we have an Officer Dawson? Officer Dawson and Officer BOCHAR. Hearing no response.
Judge, the city prosecutor Luke Garinger, PA 85677, appearing on behalf of the city of Detroit. Officer Bochar was here this morning. I did speak with him. I'm not aware of his. Is he no longer in the breakout room or in the?
I don't see him
meeting?
Anywhere.
Officer
Officer
Bochar.
Officer Bochar. No, I don't see him anywhere on the thing.
Okay, Judge. The people do not have any knowledge of Officers Bochar's whereabouts. Then.
Your Honor, the motion is for dismissal. There being no complaining witnesses.
If you saw him, I can mark him as appeared, and then still dismiss that. No recollection, or if you want, or doesn't matter to me.
Yeah, Judge, I would request that his appearance be noted.
I'll notice appearance. It's probably is going to be the same result. Dismiss both one no officer, and the other one we'll just put dismissal on that. I'm going to dismiss officer never.
No recall, Judge.
All right, no recall, no recollection. All right,
no recollection.
Case dismissed, ma'am. Have a safe, happy holiday season. Best of luck to you. All right.
Thank you. You too as well.
All right. All right. Let's move down the line to Byron Garrett.
Yes, I'm here. I'm here, sir.
Good morning to you. Is that Leon Charles?
Yes, it is. Birthday 03/27/1990.
City of Detroit and the state of Michigan versus Byron Leon Charles Garrett. Case numbers SX 415-65401, SP 146-16361. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Garrett.
Byron Leon Charles Garrett Jr.
Today is the date and time set for a trial/formal hearing on these matters. Is there a Trooper Partridge? I saw Trooper Partridge here, but it's no longer here. And I haven't seen HEATON Officer Ryan Heaton. Officer Ryan Heaton. All right. Go ahead, counsel.
The defense motion is for dismissal, Your Honor. There being no complaining witnesses.
Motion is granted. Case dismissed, no officer. There's nothing further, Mr. Barrett. Have a safe and happy holiday season. Best of luck to you.
You all also. Thank you.
I don't even need it. Nobody's gonna just work on this. Mr. LaRock. My man LaRock. You there, sir?
Yes, sir. I'm sorry.
No, my land LaRock, right?
Yes, sir. Black tea right quick. I got some gas. What'd you say, Fred? He on the phone with him. Hello?
Hold on a second. It's the city of Detroit versus my land. All right, you gonna keep on interrupting me, sir?
No, I'm sorry. I'm trying to get my son, trying to get on a ride to school. He's late. Sorry about that.
You want me to wait on you to get your
No.
ride together?
No, I got it together already. No, priorities come first, you know. Hello?
City of Detroit versus Mylan Duran LaRock, case number 17-411-638, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 109 49551. SP 109 4964, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 110222121. SP 1102639, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1102640. SP 1240690, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1245891, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 150563111. SP 8778371. SP 9533378, counts 1, 2, and 3. 18453610, counts 1 and counts 2. 18523737, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. LaRock.
Mylan Duran LaRock.
Date time set for a pre-trial in the matter. You want to just go straight to trial and see who shows up, or you want to offer today, Mr. LaRock?
You said, do I want to do what?
You want to go straight to trial and see what officer shows and parse it out on that, or you want to offer today?
What kind of offer you got today?
I don't know. It's probably not going to be that good.
Judge, Mr. Berry, have you had a chance to speak with, you haven't had a chance to speak with Mr. LaRock regarding any sort of documents that he may have, is that right?
Correct.
Okay. Judge, I think if Mr. LaRock wants an offer today, perhaps a brief conversation with
27 counts is the go ahead. What's the offer gonna be?
Oh, I was just saying perhaps a brief conversation with Mr. Berry would be warranted to figure out if Mr. LaRock has valid insurance or license or registration.
All right, let's go in the breakout room. Speak to Mr. Berry, Mr. LaRock. Let us know what you want to do when you come out. You have an absolute right to a trial. All right. Let's go with who are we ready on, Ms. Harris?
We are ready on Ms. Lloyd.
Let's go back on the record with Ms. Lloyd. Ms. Lloyd, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel in the breakout room. Counselor, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, we're respectfully requesting a trial date and we're asking for an attorney to be appointed. I am going to provide her information via chat.
All right, that's what you want to do, Ms. Lloyd?
Your Honor. Yes, Your Honor.
All right, let's do that. I see the information in the chat. I don't have any resources for that.
I just thought I would make the request.
No,
thank you.
I understand. I understand, and I'm trying to think of what.
Harris, they bringing the bigs.
just don't know.
Okay.
I really
Thank
don't.
Be quiet, Goldie. Hi, how are y'all? Oh my God.
Maybe that's Santa Claus there.
Be quiet,
It
Goldie.
is for her. It is. It is because I know what's going on right now in her background.
Maybe that's Santa Claus there then. All right. Listen, Miss Lloyd, I got your email address and your phone number. You can answer any calls that you may not recognize. That should be one of that appointed counsel. I have a trial date set for March the 14th, 2024 at 9 a.m. I'm gonna wish you the best of luck, ma'am.
Yes,
I'm kind of praying for you that you get the things and the resources that you need. And I am glad Santa Claus came and brought an early Christmas gift for you. So we'll continue to pray. All right.
Yes, sir.
All right. So best of luck to you.
Thank you. Happy holiday to you, Miss Harris. Happy holiday to you too. Stay in contact with me.
All right. Very well. If it's nothing further, I'll see you after the holidays, man. Best of luck to you. All right.
Thank you, sir. Happy holidays to you all.
March 14th. All right.
At what time, sir?
At 9 a.m.
Okay.
Who do we have next, Miss Harris?
I think we have Miss Gaston.
All right, let's go back on the record with Miss Gaston. Miss Gaston, I've given you an opportunity to
Hi,
speak.
ma'am. How are y'all? Fine.
With, then what's going to go on? How's this gonna shake out?
Judge, Attorney Luke Garinger, PA 5677, appearing on behalf of the city of Detroit. The people withdraw their oral motion made earlier on the record to amend with the understanding that defendant is requesting appointed counsel and a future date, adjourned date for discovery purposes. But at this time, the people are withdrawing their motion to amend, Judge.
Does Miss Gaston need some just mental health? Is this something of that nature? I don't know.
Judge, my understanding was that mental health treatment court may be warranted, or at least a representative. Maybe it may be appropriate to have her speak with someone from the mental health treatment court. However, I would leave that in the discretion of defense counsel.
And Your Honor, I've made Ms. Gaston aware of all of the different specialty courts and programs and resources that the court has available. And at this time, she did not indicate that she needed any services or any specialty court treatment.
All right. So what are we doing? So is this going to be, or what's going to be? So we have two tickets that the motion was withdrawn. I dismissed SP 1389750 counts 1 and counts 2 for no officer. So I've already dismissed those. I have SP 132. (86972). I have SP 1384071. Then the two that are dismissed, and then the two U tickets. What's going to go on with those?
And I think that we're stipulating to an adjournment for counsel to be appointed.
Correct.
And I didn't get a number for Miss Gaston. Is that what you want to do, Miss Gaston?
I was expecting these things to be dismissed. If the two tickets were filled out improperly.
I don't want to hear any of the allegations. That's what I put. I don't want to hear any testimony. That's what I put you in the room with Miss Harris for.
Right, but I was never connected back to her the second time.
Well, go back in the breakout room and speak to her one last time, all right?
Okay.
Mr. Garinger?
Yes.
Mr. LaRock would like an offer. He has nothing to offer in terms
Okay,
of
very
that.
well. Let me take a look.
Rejoin the room, Miss Gaston. You're standing there. You got to rejoin the room.
Okay, here it is.
I was going to set aside those defaults on those one of the, not the 2017 tickets but on the unsafe manner in the disregard of red signal. One of them hadn't been entered into until a month after, and they were both happened during the pandemic. So the other civil infractions, the old ones, I wasn't going to touch. So I counted 27, including those. Who's on this iPhone here?
Mr. Barry, the offer for Mr. LaRock would be plead to 1 count of no insurance, 1 count of driving while suspended, and 1 count of unregistered motor vehicle. Dismiss the balance.
1 count of suspended, 1 count of no insurance, and 1 count of what?
Unregistered, untitled motor vehicle.
It's Christmas time, huh? Or at least it's the end of the day. All right, go ahead and join the breakout room.
Yeah.
240 apiece. They're going to abstract. I think that the suspended may be points on that.
Okay.
Let's make sure. Driving. I just want to make sure he knows.
Yes.
Driving while license suspended. Let's see. All right, 3,200.
Yes, Judge, I believe that is a 2-point offense.
That's a 2-point offense. It abstracts, so that's 1. No hardship withdrawal. Number 1, no criminal license act sanctions on the first. Imposed additional MCL licensing actions. I'm sure if it's the next one, if it's another a repeat offender, he's probably not going to be eligible. And then the no registration, and the, what else was it? No insurance. Let's see. No insurance. I wish they would make this thing a little easier and put these things in a. Well, I know the one is 2 points. Go on the registered vehicle. 3,500.
Judge, my understanding is, if they're all from the same, if we use the same ticket, if they're all from the same incident, what gets reported to the Secretary of State is the highest points that were,
Yeah, we had that discussion before, and
allocated.
I understood it that way too. But somebody else, another lawyer came in here and said, I don't know, they must have changed it or something, but I understood it that way too. But no registration is no points and no insurance. That's no points. It is a misdemeanor, $240 fine. $240 fine for each one of them, and then I'll just do no insurance just to. All right, go ahead in the breakout room and speak to him about those three. $108. 0 point does abstract. All right, let's go back on the record for Ms. Gaston. Ms. Gaston, I've given you an opportunity to speak with counsel in the breakout room. Counselor, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, we're moving forward with the request for a court-appointed attorney. And I know Mr. Geringer already knows that we are requesting discovery be preserved for that attorney.
All right, let's go ahead and let's set a new trial date for March the 14th, 2024 at 9 a.m. I have need appointed counsel, and I've got the date, the telephone number and email address, and we will make sure that you need to make sure that that attorney should reach out to you in the next couple of days. If in a couple of weeks they don't hear from them, get back in touch with us, Ms. Gaston, and we'll make sure we'll get that straight. March the 14th, 2024 at 9 a.m. will be the next court date. All right, have a safe and happy holiday season, man. Best of luck to you. Officer Presley, you have a safe and happy holiday season as well. I don't see you.
Thank you, Your Honor. Have a good one.
All right, on this iPhone, who's this person that comes in here on this iPhone? You have to unmute yourself. Oh,
hey, Judge,
that's Mr. You didn't pay the money.
Yeah, so I paid $25 on it. I didn't have a job. I just started my new job last week.
Are you driving now again?
I'm in a traffic jam. I'm driving a semi. I'm in a traffic jam.
Are you driving?
Yes, sir, I am. I didn't want to miss court.
I asked you to pull the truck over. I told you not to call in while you're driving.
My next stop is in an hour. At the next stop is in an hour. I didn't know if I was gonna miss court or not.
Your Honor, can he have a date next week, please and thank you?
He said he was gonna pay it next week.
December 22nd is when I get paid. I can pay the ticket paid in full on December 22nd. That's a Friday. That would be next week Friday.
Come back January 4th.
Yes, sir. Thank you, Your Honor.
We're ready as to Mr. LaRock, Your Honor, and we'll seek a bench trial. He'll hire his own attorney.
All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. LaRock. Mr. LaRock, giving you an opportunity to speak with counsel in the breakout room. He's not out yet. Let's go back on the record with Mr. LaRock. Mr. LaRock, I've given you a time to speak to counsel in the breakout room. Counsel tells me you want a trial date, correct?
Yes, sir.
All right, we're gonna give you a trial date on March the 5th, 2024 at 9 a.m. All right, sir?
You have another for afternoons? Cause I be having doctor's appointments in the morning for my back. I had a back surgery last year.
All right, just zoom in from the doctor's appointment. You just zoom in if you have to. I don't have an afternoon trial date.
Okay.
All right, just make sure you show up. Okay, we'll work around whatever situation it is.
Okay.
Safe and happy holiday season, sir. Best of luck to you.
Thank you, sir.